What are bluebottles, nature's ocean drifters? Ever spotted a bright blue bubble floating along the beach? Meet the blue bottle, or Portuguese man o' war. Not a jellyfish, but a colony of tiny organisms working together as one. With a gas-filled sac to float and stinging tentacles trailing below, blue bottles catch prey effortlessly. Their sting, though painful for humans, plays a crucial role in maintaining marine ecosystems. From their teamwork-based survival to their mesmerizing beauty, these creatures teach us a lot about ocean life's complexity and adaptability. Curious about the weird and wonderful life undersea? Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more deep dives into nature's wonders.